Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to transfer photos from Android to iPhone. So let's get started. First, we'll be using an app called Google Drive. It's a free file sharing and cloud storage platform. On Android, it's usually pre-installed, but on iPhone, you'll need to download it from the App Store. On your Android device, open Google Drive. Tap on Plus at the bottom right, then tap Folder to create a new folder. Name it Android to iOS, and then tap Create. Once done, open the folder, tap Plus again, and choose Upload. Select Gallery at the top and choose the photos you want to transfer. Tap Done, and they will begin uploading. Upload time may vary based on your internet speed. Now, switch to your iPhone and open Google Drive. Make sure to log in with the same Google account used on Android. Go to Files, refresh the page, and open the folder you created. Select the photos by holding down one, then tap the three dots at the top right and choose Download. The photos will now be saved to your iPhone, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.